Deep within the heart of the United States lies a munitions factory, which is integral to the success of the Allies' war effort. If the Soviet war machine succeeds in taking the factory, then they are one step closer to winning the war. As the Allies' defense of the factory strengthens, Soviet troops establish a patrol base on the ridge. They begin to mobilize, leading an assault which will last for the next 40 hours. In between the factory and the Soviet patrol base is a small city in which the Soviets fight for control. This attack was coordinated months in advance and is being fought on several fronts. The ground unit is their primary force, boldly fighting their way through the city in order to reach the factory. In 15 hours, the battle comes to a standstill. Neither side can gain the advantage. The Soviets decide to reassess their position. At this point, the Allies regain their confidence and take the battle to the Soviets. The battle that ensues will result in a bloodbath. Both sides will record several thousand casualties. By the end of the battle, the Allies have successfully deterred the Soviets and forced them into a full retreat. For the Soviets, the loss of the factory will result in the loss of the war.